We're about to put our inflatable mattress in the back of Fez and see how well it works in the back of our car for those nights where we want to go stargazing and take some awesome night photography. And maybe just try out some car camping before we invest in a bunch of camping gear, right? So we bought the Luno Air Mattress, right? Because the 2 was currently unavailable for the Subaru. And I'm a little impatient, so we bought it.
Oh, we got a little boo-boo patch.
Betsy, how you doing up there? You so excited and ready for adventure?
Feel like it's a T? Do the T towards the top.
Whoever would have thought sleeping in a Subaru would be like a thing. Oh, dang, there's a lot of space in this car. It's actually really amazing. I can't wait to do this. Come here. This is so cool.
This is pretty awesome.
It'd be pretty cool though to have the moonroof open and just watch the stars.
All right, Betsy, what do you think? You like it?
I like that we can just stargaze out of the moonroof.
We'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.
Hi. Wow, that was a lot of my face.
Oh, we got a little boo-boo patch. Oh.
Like, really nice. Hopefully bears won't eat us.
That'd be bad.
I'd be pissed.
You'd be pissed if a bear ate you?
Hi. Why are you looking at me so disdainfully?
She's like, I hate this. Let's get on out.
Oh no. I just cleaned off all the dust on Fez with my...
Thanks for watching.